Like all Yale hoists, the Yale Mini 360 must be inspected at least once a year. We recommend carrying out the work on a workbench and not in a suspended state, so that dismantled parts do not get lost. Start by checking for obvious defects. Look for missing parts, damage to the housing and deformed components. Carry out a function check. The hand chain should pull through easily in both directions. Measure the opening width and the base thickness of the load hook and the top hook. Inspect the complete load chain for gouges, wear, corrosion, cracks, bends or weld marks, and measure the chain pitch and diameter at different positions. Afterwards, dismantle the brake side, unscrew the set screw completely from the cover and remove the balls inside. Now lift off the cover and dismantle all parts underneath. Inspect the hand wheel, friction discs, ratchet disc and disc hub. Also check the ratchet pawls. After the inspection, reassemble all components in reverse order. Fasten the castle nut and secure it with a new cotter pin. Insert the hand chain back onto the hand chain wheel and replace the cover. Return all the balls into the cover and secure using the set screw. The cover should now rotate freely in any direction. Turn the device upside down and open the gear cover. Remove the top hook pin and the top hook assey. Check both parts, reposition the top hook and secure with the top hook bolt. Remove and clean the gear parts thoroughly. Check all parts for damage before reinstalling them. Pay special attention to the markings on the gear wheels during installation. Please follow the manufacturer's instructions for correct phasing. Lubricate all gear parts with new grease and install the gear cover again. Complete the inspection with a load test. Here, national rules and regulations should be observed. Corresponding standards can also be used as a support.